Josh? Wow, nice ball for Dave Runkle. You look up on the boat, 29.6 mile an hour. So he's a little bit quicker. A little bit faster, I guess I should say. That's not what we go by. We go by distance. But this is the first time back out for these guys. They missed several poles as they blowed up and they're waiting on parts. Well, nice pull for Cody. The first thing I see is the speed board down there, that 30.3 mile an hour. So that's a quick, faster than anybody else thus far also here in the light class. And one thing about it, that you missed half the season, kind of a handicap system they brought when they brought the alcohol tractors into the fold here on Badger State, and it's never changed. It's been very good setup. Down the block, and they're aluminum, and they got all the cooling fins on it. And sometimes they get a little mushy, and they pop them off the block and break the seal. And they're getting their big tires hooked up to the track, and they get down to the end of the run, and the tires are out there. They're starting to try dangerous run, and his wife was there to watch it, and she said, "You will not pull that tractor like that again." So he took it off the circuit and did a lot of work to it. He was on a run. I think he might have been a contender for the lead. He's still got a good distance. But he was humping right along, and all of a sudden the weight box got a hold of it and brought his RPM started going down. He's a good, strong runner also. I think he started the season off with like 3 wins in a row. I don't know what our point standings look like. I hadn't taken a peek at it, but he's a contender. And Carroll County Clay gets him too. Well, the Terminator transfers all the weight out and puts the load on these boys. It's, you better have a couple more horses in the barn. It's going to snuff you out. I don't call any class an entry level, but these, the price of admission isn't quite so steep in this class. Now, Ron Hogan got enough juice to spin her out. Mike Ludlow from Milton, outside of Gainesville. Adam Adrian out of Glen Haven. Case IH MS 285, the Peppery Maker. was proven to be paying dividends until he couldn't turn the gear. And he had pretty good speed, 31.7 on the speed board down there, and he was moving right along around that line I did earlier. Warren powers it up there. I don't think. All right. This is going to be Steve Althouse with his John Deere 4450. Up a little bit more, the Althouse boys. In a row on the Badger State circuit. Can he make it more? Got to get around 322. All right. He's got his work cut out for him. Lee Ruff is going for 4 in a row, which is quite unheard of. I don't think that's a top speed of the class. We'll see if he can put a yields for a distance. They kind of go hand in hand. From Polo, another one of our local pullers. We get down here, we got a lot of guys that are pulling close to home. It's going to be Sean Struder from Waterford, Wisconsin, approved by